So, welcome to the SIG network meeting. Please put your name in the attendee section. The link to the doc is in the chat. I can resend if anyone needs it. And we start with the webs. We talked a lot about Web 21, 106, so I'm not repeating them. Just stop me if you want to go over any of them in particular. We had these newer ones, which is this is about the vHost network thread CPU pinning, where they're pinning the threads that will carry the network traffic, and we need to make some time to verify if it's indeed increasing our throughput. And then there is this one, which started from an issue where like VMs which do not have the pod network or something, they cannot access the console via virtctl SSH. And the proposal was that do not look into the VMI status IPs and look at the pod IP instead and dial that and do the virtctl SSH over that IP. So I know there are a lot of discussions going on. I think we will cancel the web and we'll just go with the PR. That was the proposal or something like that. And Aurel, you had a... Yes, you have your hands up. Yes, please.
Yes, I just wanted to give a quick update on the webs that you've skipped. Web 21 has an enhancement document open. It's still not merged. We are waiting for the author to return. Web 106 also is pending its author, but the implementation is ready, but on hold because we need the web to be merged first. Web 111, its design proposal got merged and the implementation is ready, and feel free to review it. The link is down there, this one. It is dependent on a PR that we are waiting for the CI to take it. So only the last 3 commits are relevant. And what else do we have here?
We have the Web 183, which is
Yes, Web 183 is waiting for Lobo to approve it. It has between 6 and 7 LGTMs. And the next Web 168, I reached out to the author, but there is still no response.
Cool. Thank you.
All of this needs to be updated in the project. Can you please update the project with this?
Sure.
And about this one, Aurel, you also had a related PR which solves a security issue that... do you want to talk about it?
Sure. This issue, or this, what is it? This is the web.
Yeah, I'm trying to find your PR.
This web, it started from an issue on KubeVirt, and the bottom line of this issue, or the agreed path of this issue, is that Virt API will dial directly to the pod IP when Virt cattle port forward is requested. Like this is it seems to be a consensus there, and I don't think the VEP is necessary, and I also commented on the VEP. And also there is this PR to fix the CV, which also touches the same places, but maybe if we will fix it the way that was proposed on the issue, only parts of this PR would go in and not all of it. Because this PR does something a bit intrusive, maybe we can decrease it by a lot. if we'll go with what was proposed on the VRCTL issue.
Okay. And it has to get in by the code freeze or the web freeze date, right? So
I don't think they need a web.
okay, then it does not have a deadline. Cool.
It has the feature freeze.
Yes, that's like way off from now. Okay, so this one has attention. And why did I have this one?
This one is I think it's unrelated. It's a SIG compute.
Yeah, but
That
this one. Mhm.
it's the parent of 111, but I think we can
Yes.
not track it here.
Okay. Moving on to the PRs. Also, before that, do you know of any issues that we want to take a look at? I did not see anything new. Okay, moving on to the PRs then. This is one from Dan. I will take a look later. Also, please take a look.
What is it? Which test is it changing? Something in network?
It has a network label. I did not go over the PR. I need to check. There is something in network as well.
Okay.
And the next one is it's your PR, which we already talked about. Next we have this one. It has an LGTM from me. It needs an approve. It's a tiny PR. Please take a look. Just stop me if you wanted to say something more about your PRs. And then we
I'm
have this.
just, I must admit that I don't understand why you're going over the list of PRs.
Because these need approvals and
Yeah, but if
like it's an
someone,
action that's needed for me.
if there is nothing to talk, to convince us about, explain something or emphasize something, I don't see the point. I mean, okay, they are there, so the fact that we are going over them now, it doesn't mean it will get attention.
We hope that
Okay.
it will.
Okay.
There's only one left.
Yeah, this is what's
This is
this one about? I didn't
this
even
is
get that.
unrelated. This is a SIG compute PR.
I must have pasted something else. I wanted to discuss about the small PR that added um, a log warning to one of the places where something was being read from a cache, and we had a discussion that it might not be the right thing to do. I'm not sure what to do with the PR. I commented, and please take a look at that PR as well. Anyways, moving on to the open floor. Or Shoval, you have many PRs. Do you want to talk about them?
Hi, thank you. Yes, so there are three subjects. The four first ones are about the folding SRUV. As we know, we're running today the SRUV test on its own lane, which is expensive. If we want to make them part of the phase 2 that runs after Lactam approve, this is this effort. So there are four PRs. The order matters. We started to talk about it offline, but then we discovered a few things. So there is a new solution. If you can review it, please. If you want to discuss it offline, the solution is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. We do need the test. Okay, the bottom line is that we do need a test. I discussed it offline with Eddie face to face, and they wrote for Aurel in the chat. So if we can continue this effort offline, please. I answered Eddie's comments yesterday. Thank you, Eddie.
I have a question regarding the SRIOV file feature. Is it documented somewhere that we support it?
I don't know to say if not or yes.
What was the question?
There is the file, right? The cloud init that shows you which one of the filter is that which CPUs are the ones that associated with the NUMA of the interface, right? So if you are in the guest, and for example, you have 4 CPUs, you can know which one out of those in the terms of the guest are on that NUMA, so you can use them in order to gain throughput, okay?
I think
So
it's
this
part of the feature of, I'm not sure 100%, but I think it is, it's part of the feature of, for example, the tagging. We have, you can tag an interface with value, and that one is also entering the same structure. So it's part of a bigger, I guess it's a compute feature in my opinion, but I'm not 100% sure.
I
I
have the
think it was
details.
documented.
What again? And what is the last sentence about
I
documentation?
think it is documented in compute,
Okay.
but I don't remember.
Yeah. Maybe you are right, by the way, that it's about tagging. The
No, it's
interesting part,
tagging is the same. I think it's from this in the same place. It is added to the same
struct.
data. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. By the way, if needed, I have the two PRs that introduce those tests. What I wanted to say, I forgot. By the way, the interesting part is that today only SROV support it, okay? Secondary interface don't support it. So it's not, we can't say, okay, go and text it on host network, because today did not support it. Maybe it's a bug, but that someone can improve, okay, but they don't support it. So this off the table. So if you can, I just created there, I think that we need to strive to the most simple solution, and there is one simple solution that works and it's pretty safe. So I will be glad if we can continue it offline, please. If you need me, if the reviews, I posted all the information and the plan on the PRs you asked, Eddie. Is it fine? Can we move forward to the next, please?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
The
So
next
about
year?
the four are the same issue. We don't need to open them. Thank you. We just need review for them in that order. The second issue, the removing kind leftovers. So again, this is something pretty small that we talked about doing it on best effort, but I just did it and you already started. Thank you for the reviews. So I answered the review, and if you can please continue that, it's pretty simple one. Some of are like done by Brian, some are reviewed whip by Orel. I answered the comments. And the last one is skipping today we are running the conformance on phase 1, and phase 2 runs all the lanes of SIG network. But the latest one of them runs also the conformance that we already ran in phase 1, so we can skip it basically to save around 8 minutes. So I just created there a mechanism, started to create it. So first we see that we sync on the mechanism itself before we are continuing something. Note please that I think we need, you can review it if you want, but I think it's better to first focus at least on the first one, which is the folding, before we are opening another zone. But again, if you review it, I will thank you and answer your comments, of course, in top SLA, but just it's better maybe to wrap stuff and then we can continue. That's it basically. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other items on the open floor? Otherwise, that's it. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you. Bye bye.